Hi everyone, welcome to day 18 of 20-day basic JavaScript challenge. Today we are going to explore a common string manipulation task, removing duplicate character from a string. So let's dive into the code. So I open my code editor and here you can see I already create index.html file, and in this file I write script tag. In this script tag I write our JavaScript functionality. So first we take a input a string from a user. So here I create a variable first, let input string. Then I use a prompt function. Using prompt function we get the string from a user, enter a string. After that we create a function which remove our duplicate value from a string. So here I write function keyword, then function name, remove duplicate, and after that this function take a argument. So here I pass input string, and after that we create a empty object which track the overall string character. Okay, after that we create a result variable. In result variable we store the result. Okay, next we apply a for loop on this input string to check the character one by one. So here I write for let char of input string, and after that in this for loop I use if statement, and here I write char map and I pass this char. Okay, and after that here I update the result. So result class is equal to char and then char map. So what we can actually do in this function, first function can take a string from a user. So with the help of prompt function, user enter input, then we send the input to this function. Okay, next I apply a for loop on this input string and check each character, and then store every character in this jar map object, and then check if the already character match with this object place. Then we remove the character. In next step we send the input string in this function. So for that I create a one variable with the name of unique character, and I use a remove duplicate function, and as an argument I pass this variable, because in this variable I store this string. And after that we show the message to a user in a console. So here I write console.log, and here I pass unique character, and then I use this variable here. Save this and go to a browser, reload the page. Now I send a string. So here I write hello and click on OK, and unique character undefined. So what happened here? So I go to a browser, and here you can see I cannot return a result here. So first we return a result. So here I write after this for, here I write return result. So I save the file and go to a browser and reload this, and here again I write hello and click on OK. Now you can see unique character hello. It's remove one L from this hello. I again write how are you and click on OK, and you can see how, and it remove space from here, extra space, and it also remove O from you. Okay, so like that you can remove extra or duplicate character from a string. That's it for today's tutorials. We have learned how to write JavaScript program to remove duplicate characters from a string. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorial. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.